Alright everyone, so I'm going to show you a video on the Mazda CX9, how to take out your air intake filter, how to change it or inspect it if you want to do. I know a lot of times we go to the dealership for an oil change and then they try to upsell us a lot of stuff, air filter, cabin filter. So let's teach you guys how to do it so you can save some money. This is a lifetime engine air filter. These are cleanable, reusable, increase horsepower, add up to 50% more airflow, savings up to $250, and up to 75,000 miles between cleaning. I clean it every oil change or every 2 oil changes. We're gonna get into the changing of it. Got one latch here, pop that. One latch here, pop that. Now this is still connected. This is connected, so you want to be gentle with those wires. And you just lift it up like that. So under here. Just pull that up like that. Should be fine. Just be mindful of the hoses. That's okay. That's okay. Right? This one's dirty, so I'm going to be making a video on how to clean this too as well, so I can show you. Yeah, I'll show you how to clean it. I'm going to pop that back in there. Put that down there. Put your latch on. Get the latch. And you're done. Save yourself some money. Change it yourself. Even if you don't want to go with this, buy your own original. Put it in yourself. Do this stuff on your own. Okay, everyone? Thank you.